Day 2, Age of Industrialization. Emergence of mills. Richard Arkwright is credited to create the cotton mill. Within the mill, all the processes were brought together in one roof and management. Factory system increased largely in England. The most dynamic industries in Britain was cotton and metals. Growing at a rapid pace, cotton was the leading sector in the first phase of industrialization up to the 1840s. After that, the iron and steel industry led the way. This slide shows the first machine created by Richard Arkwright and the first cotton mill in England. After the cotton industry, it was the iron and steel industry which led the way. The expansion of railway in England and its colonies rapidly increased the demand for iron and steel. The new machinery and industries could not easily displace traditional industries. At the end of 19th century, less than 20% of the total workforce was employed in technologically advanced industrial sector. The technological changes occurred slowly. They did not spread largely across the country. James Watt improved the steam engine produced by Newcomen and patented the new engine in 1781. Ordinary and small innovations were the basis of growth in many non-mechanized sectors. New technology was expensive and merchants and industrialists were cautious about using them. The machines often broke down and the repair was costly. This slide shows the photograph of few very ordinary type of machines. Here is the photograph of fitting shop in England and a spinning factory of 1830. In Britain, there was no shortage of workers. Poor peasants and vagrants moved to the cities in search of jobs, so workers were available at low wages. In many industries, the demand for labor was seasonal. For example, gasworks, breweries, bookbinding and printing, ship repairing, etc., needed seasonal labor. A range of products could be produced only with hand labor. These required human skill, not mechanical technology. In Victorian Britain, handmade products which were refined had a class. Handmade products were preferred by the aristocrats and the bourgeois. These handmade products were better finished and carefully designed.